like to show you how to modify some sketch features. So I'm going to start by creating a sketch on a plane. And then I'm going to draw a couple of things here to get started. If you want to learn about all the things you can draw, you can do that in the sketch create video. All right, now let's see here. Got a few objects to work with, and I can start to draw some things. So in the modify menu, we can round a corner by using the fillet tool, and you can choose how much you round that corner, like so. You can also trim items. So if you want to remove a side, you can click trim and cut that off. You can offset a shape by grabbing any shape and then creating the offset from it. Blend curve, I'm going to skip for now. Extend, I'm going to skip for now. Well, that one's pretty useful. If I want to extend this, I can click there and it'll make it longer out here. I can also sketch scale and move copy and change parameters. So if I want to sketch scale, I'm going to choose these two items and I'm going to scale them from the point right here, and I'm going to make them 2 times as big, and they'll get 2 times as big like that. Next, I can change parameters. This one is sort of an odd one to include in the modify menu, but if you get into parameters here, you can input variables that you can adjust later in time at any time in your design. So I'm going to call a variable plywood, and I'm going to say the expression is 0.75. Now, if I click OK and OK, and I D for dimension, I can make this the thickness of plywood by typing plywood in and hitting enter, and it'll adjust to the 0.75 that I input in my change parameters. If it goes back to change parameters, you can go back in here and edit this by changing the number, and now when I do, it's much smaller. Now it's 0.1 inches right there. All right, that's the modify menu of sketch.